Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the TikTok application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the TikTok application on your device, go ahead and tap on it and you might be asked to sign up by selecting various of your interests. You can simply tap on the skip button within this screen and then you will be taken into the home page. In order to log into your existing account, click on Profile at the bottom right corner and now you will see various different options to log in. You can either continue with your Facebook account or your Google account as well as your Twitter. You also have the option to use your phone number, your email address or your username. Just tap on whichever option is suitable for you and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your phone number and then click on the send code button and you can check your inbox for the code that you will need to enter in the next screen. You can also tap on email or username and you will need to type in either your email address or your username followed by your password. After typing both of these credentials, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your TikTok account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the TikTok application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.